What's up, right people? So right now we're having our dinner dito sa may dining room sa may 4th floor kasi dalawa to, mayroong 3rd floor and mayroong 4th floor. Tapos yun, para naman medyo formal kami tignan. Nakakasawa din kasi dun sa Windjammer, so try naman natin dito, di ba? Right side.
Walang dito. Good evening, everyone.
Hello. So right now we're having our dinner here, and as you can see, they're wearing formal attire. So they're wearing their best outfit. Diba? And yeah, so another kain na naman tayo for today's video. So saan tayo pupunta? Ade. Hi guys, so we're here now at the dining room sa deck 4 to. So ang schedule namin talaga dito ay 7:30, but unfortunately right now the time is 8 o'clock. So meaning to say, yung seat namin, yung pwesto namin dapat may nakaupo na. So inanapan na lang kami ng another table. So yan, okay naman. Ayan, to serve with ice cream. While waiting for the food, nakita ko dito sa may window na sobrang lakas ng ulan, talaga may kidlat pa. So I pray na maging safe ang lahat dito sa barko. As you can see, ito pala yung kinakain namin. Wala pa yung main dish, so wait natin. After namin kumain, dumiretso na kami for our next activity. Dapat dito muna sa Star Moment magkakantahan kami, pero mamaya na daw kasi mag-start na yung theater. Hi guys, so we're here at the theater, Royal Theater, and right now we're gonna watch the Effectors. Yan, so sana maganda. And of course, this is our first activity. Ano na kasi puro picture ang nawa ng kapilan. Yeah. So after this, we're going to live band naman. So sisilip lang kami sa live band. Video ko, video ko. Hi guys, so right now we're here sa aming deck, no, and magpapahinga na kami for tomorrow's activity, no. So by 8 AM we have a massage. I don't know if full body massage, pero sana. We watch theater, ano nga yun? Basta parang Avengers yun, superhero, it's all about superhero. And the other one is the Silk Road, and of course the last one is the music band. Okay, the live band, no? So doon talaga nag-enjoy, doon talaga nabuhay yung kaluluwa ko. So right now I'm still wide awake, no? Grabe, nawala yung antok ko because of that. Dancing movement, party everywhere. So, grabe guys, may mga Gen Z doon. Imagine, they are 17 years old, 18 to 20, early 20s. Imagine they are, partying at Royal Caribbean Cruise. So, gaano kalaki yung ni-spend nila na money to, to go here. At young age, imagine, at young age. So, ang babata pa nila pero nakapag Royal Caribbean na sila. Most likely naman, nandito mga matatanda na. Yung talaga nakapag-retire na, yung mga talagang, alam mo yun, mga may pension na. So, swerte pa rin tayo sa iyo sana because we got a chance to enjoy the view, the whole cruise ship at this point, no? So, kumbaga, hindi naman tayo nahuhuli. Kasi, Gen Z pa rin tayo. So, tomorrow we're going to have another activity. May activity kami na umaga dito sa cruise, then we're going to Malaysia. So, gabi kami sa Malaysia. We will arrive in Malaysia by 3 PM. And we will leave Malaysia by, I think, 10 or 11 PM. Hi guys, so we're not yet done because we're going to eat. Kasama ko yung mga friends ko na nagpapalito. The party is over, but we will still eat. Hindi ko na na-videohan yung mga friends ko na kumain kami ng pizza. Pizza na lang yung available that time. Pero ayun, sobrang enjoy ko tonight. Kaya naman samahan niyo pa kami sa mga next activity namin dito sa Royal Caribbean Cruise. Like, share, and subscribe!